Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and today we'll be discussing some makeup tips for beginners. Now, I wish I knew these tips. I should have just googled it, but I wish I knew these tips before I started using makeup. And now that I've learned from them, I just want to share that out to you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Now, the first tip is do not buy too many products. In today's day and age, there are so many beauty product recommendations out there, and I know that it can get confusing and overwhelming at the same time, and you might not know what products to buy and you end up buying all of them. But I would suggest to stick to products that you actually like. For example, if you like a good lip, or if you like some good eyeliner, or perhaps you're even into mascaras, I would say to stick to only these products at the moment. And if you are a beginner, try and stick to drugstore products, especially in the beginning, because you don't want to spend money on products that you're not going to end up using. So if you are buying products, buy products of drugstore materials so that you can try them and test them out. And then if you like that particular thing, if you are into it, then go for a higher end brand. The second tip I would like to discuss is to create a signature look. Now, when you create your signature look, it should be something that you can get used to. It should also be something that you can do and wear on a regular basis. And you should also be able to do this makeup routine under 10 to 15 minutes. Your signature look should be something that you can stick to, and honestly, you don't want to spend too much time applying makeup on an everyday basis. So create a simple routine for yourself, something that won't take up time and something that you can wear every single day. Now, the third tip that I want to talk about is do not apply makeup to a dirty face. There are so many things that can go wrong with this tip. I feel like there are tons of people out there who feel like they can just slap on some makeup without cleansing their face or prepping their skin properly. Applying makeup to a dirty face can cause major problems in the long run, such as acne outbreaks, and you do not want that. That's not going to be good for your face, so it's better to just stay away from it. Now, tip number 4 is do not apply fresh makeup over stale makeup. What I mean by this is, so during the day for work, a lot of people will just wear a light foundation, maybe some eyeliner, some mascara, some light eyeshadow, and they'll come back in the evening and let's say they want to head for a dinner. They would just slap some more makeup on their already stale makeup and go about their evening. Now, this is such a bad thing to do because you need to let your skin breathe. So I would suggest to cleanse your face and let your skin breathe before applying another fresh layer of makeup. Now, there is an exception to this tip, and that is applying lipstick. So if you're applying lipstick over lipstick or lip gloss, that's absolutely fine. That can be managed, but I would suggest to stay away from reapplying foundation over stale foundation so that your pores have some breathing space. Now, the fifth tip that I want to talk about is to apply makeup in natural lighting. So by doing this, it gives you the best judgment of what your makeup will actually look like when you step out of the house. So I would definitely suggest to set up your makeup station right in front of a mirror so that you get a lot of natural lighting on your face and you can see exactly what your makeup looks like. Now, the sixth tip that I want to share is do not sleep with your makeup on. Okay, of course, I am guilty about this. When I initially started using makeup, I didn't think that it was going to make a lot of difference, but it does. It does make a lot of difference to your skin. You know, it's really tempting to sleep with makeup on, especially after a long, exhausting day, but resist the urge to do so. I'll tell you why. Sleeping with your makeup on can clog your pores and even make them larger. So essentially, you're blocking your skin barrier, which can cause breakouts, and you're also widening your pores. What happens is that the makeup starts to settle inside the pores and widens it, making it look bigger. You definitely don't want that. Another thing is that sleeping with makeup on can also dry out your skin because your skin cannot breathe. So I would recommend to definitely stay away from doing any of these. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this has brought some insight for you. I hope this has helped you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.